Hello friends, welcome back to blog project in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed how to create a pages. Suppose you can see last video we discussed how to create page like add, edit, delete, not delete, just add and edit and listing. So you can add your slug like home slugs, you can add login slug, register slug, and contact us slugs. Suppose do you have more, so you can also add a more. But right now I know about like for one, so I will just add a for. Okay. So in this video we can continue like a home page. Suppose here is the title, meta title. So do you want to show these ones like a home slugs? You can say slug is equal to home. So we need to show this one. So how we can do it? So I can show you in this video. Same thing you can go to like login, otherwise you can go to register page. So we need to change. So how we can do it? So I can show you in this video like login, meta title, meta description. Also we can do it. Like here you can type like meta description and meta keywords. So also how you can do it, I can show you step by step. And I have one request: you are new in this channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever video you are uploading, so always you are always getting the notification, and you can start immediately learning, because we are trying to best our coding side part and we can explain like a better way. I hope so. People is doing the comments so I can understand. Okay, so he can understanding sometime. I don't know, sometime not understand, so he need to check again video and he can try to understand. And do you want to buy any series, means any script? So just you can go to our website errorsolutioncode.com, and inside you can see it like a script menu. Inside you can see do you want to buy, so you can buy. Okay, so let's start now. I have already done like a page inside. You can see it like a home, login, register and contact us. So we can work inside a home page first. So how we can do it? What do you want to know? No need to change everything. I can show you. So I already opened my codes. Let's make some zoom outs. First I am going to app, http controller. Inside you can see it like a home controller. So here you can see it meta title we have already write, because of we have already done last some video. You can see it like a meta title, meta description, meta keywords. Three value we are passing. Suppose you are following this series, so you know about that. Okay, but I can show you in this video, so don't worry. So first of all we need to do here like a declare our page model, because of yesterday we created page models. You can see it here. Like I going to models, inside you can see it like a page models. So what we can do, we need to make query like get record, otherwise get page. I think here is a page, so I just type like a get page model dot dot, means get slug. Okay, here I can pass my slug name, because this is the static slug, so you don't want to change. Suppose you are type here slug name like a different one, so you need to pass here like a different one. This reason I told you again, whatever you are passing here, this slug name need here. Suppose you are editing, after you can change. I can show you changing what is the problem generated, but right now you can see it. Okay, same thing we can do. So just save, and now we need to go inside a page model, and we need to create a new function like a get slug. So let's go to page models. You can see it here, and we can write new function static function, and here I can make get slug. Here I can pass like a our parameter, because of we have already passed here parameter like a slug. You can see it like home. So just you can return same thing. You can copy paste above one, so also possible. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Return self where slug is equal to dollar slug, and we can pass like a first. Okay, so this is the slug is matching for this slug, so we need to get the record and we need to pass. And self means is like a class name. Suppose do you want to type like this, so also work. And suppose do you want to leave it like self, so also work. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Okay, let's leave it now class name. So just save, and just save here and go to refresh the page. So I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see no any errors. So working very well, we have no errors. So now we need to do like a meta title here. We don't want to work like static. So always you need to make condition. Okay, I can told you again, always do you want to make condition if is not empty. This is the shortcut condition, is not empty. So going to inside, and here you can type like a meta titles, and otherwise blank. So let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it is working, not working. Because of meta title we have already passed here. Suppose I am going to views files, resources, inside views, inside home.blade.php. Okay, so taking time few seconds. Here you can see layout app. So just go to layouts, inside you need to go to app. So here you can see it like a meta title, you see. So we are passing inside a data, you can see it, this one we are passing here. So here you can see it like meta title. After we can pass like meta keywords, so also meta keywords work. Same thing you can pass like meta description, so also work. So let's scroll down and we can copy both line like meta titles and meta description. Just you can paste here. And this is the like getting like a get page inside, we are getting inside a database column name. Let's open the our database name, I can show you. Okay, localhost php my admin. Okay, let's this open. So I know, I think you are follow the series, so you know, so just copy and paste after I can show you. Okay, and you can change here like meta description to meta descriptions, meta keywords, so meta keywords. Okay, let's go to database and show you. I think database open done. I go to my database name is a blog.com. I can search, so you can see it here blog.com, and inside you can see it like a page table, not a users tables. I just go to page table now, so you can see it's like meta title, you can see meta description is there and meta keywords there. But this is the title and this is the description. Where we need to use, we can decide later. But right now we need to use like meta title, meta description and meta keywords. Also we have made condition using this slug. Okay, so I hope you have a clear now. So let's refresh the page, so you can see it home blog. Because of we have already passed here, you can see it. Let's make control U, so you can see it meta keywords showing the home and meta description showing the home. Because of we have already passed inside a admin side, let's go to admin side and click the edit buttons. So you can see it meta keywords we have passed like home, so here showing the homes, you can see it here like here content, and meta description also showing home because of we have passed like this. Here is also possible like OG text like this, do you want to pass in your side, so you can pass and you can do it here. Okay, so this is the your way, do you want to do, no need to do, this is the your point. Okay, next point, suppose you are change this slug, I can make like slug 1 and I just means slug I can change home 1 and I click on the updates. Okay, now I refresh the page, so database column is not matching, so you can see it here is a title not found, also meta title meta description also not found, you can see it. Because of here you need to pass like home 1, so it's working because our slug is a matching. Suppose I refresh the page, so you can see it is working very well. So don't do one time, you can write inside codes, so don't change your slug here, because this is the we need a dynamic. Suppose some client you ask me, I need a dynamic meta description, meta keywords and meta titles, so how you can do it, just you can create like slug, but this is the your way. I am developer, I know this reason I don't want to change, but client side you don't want to show this one, just need to show like title, meta description, no need to slug show here, no need to edit time, need to show slug here. Always need to do, you need to add all the entry inside database using the insert function, and you can write your own slug. After client always add it, no need to delete and no need to add new, just you can go to database and you can add insert record directly like this. Go to inserts and you can insert your slugs, title, description. After click on the go button, so automatic new entry is available inside a page tables. Okay, I hope you have clear what I am talking. So let's go back again and we can change whatever before there like this home, and also I can change here is okay, we already done. So I refresh the page, so is working very well. So this is the home side is done, like home page how to make meta. Same thing you can do it like login and register. So let's go to back again and we can copy for all things and paste here like contact us, contacts there, so our login register is here not there, so it's there inside a auth controller. So just go here and you can paste here and you can pass here like this data, so it's good idea, and just you can declare here page models here. Same thing you can copy paste and you can change the model name, and here you can pass like a login. Same thing you can do it inside registers. Okay, carefully watch what I am doing, so you can change here registers and you can pass here registers. Same thing you can do it, forget password, reset password. So it's very simple, just you can copy paste again, because I have not added these routes inside forgot. So just you can add here forgot, other forget, whatever do you want to write a spelling, just you can pass and paste here. Same thing you can do it inside reset, so just paste, and here you can type, and here you can make like a reset. So now no need any other places. Okay, other places automatic works. So we have created login, register, forget and reset. So let's go to login page. Auth inside you can go, inside you can see login. So do you want to write here, do you want to write here? So let's go to layout, inside go to app, and you just copy all things and replace every place, like login inside you replace meta title, meta descriptions, and we don't need this one because we already declare above. Just copy again this ones, just go to forget one, and you can replace here, and same thing you can go to register, also you can replace here, and also you can go to reset, and also you can replace here. Okay, so all pages is done, because this is the unique pages was there, this reason. Let's save and just go inside. Okay, so let's refresh the page, so we can check logins work. So login you can see it, login blocks, so showing, suppose admin side you can see it like login block. Same thing I can go register one, create new account, so register also work. But let's go to back again and click on the I have forget password. So you can see it is not working, because of here we have not add a page, but not generate error, because of we have already made like a is not empty condition. This is the reasons. Suppose here data found here, so it's going to here, otherwise need to go else part. Sometimes shortcut method for if else conditions. Okay, so just you can copy, and you can go to add new, you can type slug forgot, after here you can type forgot, and here you can type like a forgot blog, and you can just press enter, and just you can go to back again, refresh the page, so you can see working very well. Same thing you can do in reset password, resets, add new, resets, just you can type like a reset password, and here you can do it like a reset password block, whatever your website name you can pass, so it's good. Same thing you can do it like a forgot password, like here. This is the we can use later, how we can use I can explain, but right now so we don't want to use, so just you can do it like this, forgot password slash block, you can see it here. Let's refresh the page, so you can see it forgot password. Okay, so this is the done. Let's go to back again, login, register is also done. Now I am going to auth control close, page model also I close. Now I am going to home control. Now you can see some other pages also there, like about, terms, gallery, blogs. This is the blog also there, and contact us also there. So let's move to contact us up, like blog here. So same thing you can sort out here, and after you can create a pages. Suppose whatever page is there, not pages there, so you can create here pages, and also you can pass here data. So here you can pass like about. Okay, very simple, very easy. I explain, I hope you can understand. Suppose you can't understand, so I don't know how I can explain. Teams, suppose do you want to need teams, so you can do it. Same thing you can do it inside gallery. Okay, and here you can pass like a dollar data, and same thing you can do it inside a blog. We are using blog, so I can show you the blogs. Okay, so another last one is a contact. So this is the you can also copy paste, and you can pass here data. Suppose I can put here contact. Okay, let's save these files and just go back again, and you can go to slash contact and refresh the page, so you can see not found. So same thing we already did like a contact us, I type, just you can change to edit, and you can change this slug like a contact and refresh the page, so you can see it is working very well, contact us block. Okay, same thing you can do it like about us. So this is the link we are not provide, so let's go to footers, and we can provide all the links, so it's working very well, and we can do it like this professional way. So just go to footers, and here I can change like a URL contact. Okay, this is the URL I know. Now our blog So we can write like a, here is a blog URL, you know, me know. Okay, our teacher right now not there, so just remove this line. I don't want to take time. Here not there, so our classes we are not there, so just remove. Here is a term and about us there, so we can add like here URL. Here you can do it like about, and also you can do it like a home page here, so just you can pass like a blank URL. So you can do it like this. Okay, so let's remove the extra pages, so look like professional, no any reasons. Same thing you can do it here, and also you can do it here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can add more here, terms, condition, privacy. I click on our blocks, click here, so you can see it our blocks, but we need to provide here titles. Just go to admin sites and click on the add new, just click on the blocks here slugs, and here is a blog, and just you can type like a blog dot blog, whatever do you want to like, because this is the your reason, your SEO, so you can do it your end. I just explain how you can do it. Okay, for the SEO you can see it, blog because of we have typed like this, you see it here. Okay, so this is the work. Same thing you can go to like about us, so about us you can type like this new, here you can type about, here you can type about, and here you can type like about us and blog. I make a mistake about this capital letter, small letter. This is the not reasons. I don't know. You can see full video, not full, but I just type blocks. Okay. So let's go back, refresh the page, so you can see it is working very well. Now here another condition is missing like term and conditions, because of we have already teams there, gallery there. Whatever place we need, we can do it. Same thing you can do it inside teams. So add new, and you can type here themes. So do you have a, so you can leave it this page in your projects, so you can type, otherwise no, so you leave it blogs. And next one is a gallery, so just add new. We have created before this page, but we have a hide this page because of we are not using. Once we can use, this time we can do it. Okay, so you can see it now. Here you can type like themes gallery, so you can see it gallery blocks. So this is the there, we can use later. How to use I can explain, so don't worry. Okay, right now I am not make a link here because we are not using these reasons. So I hope you have clear what I explain. So I click on the home, so let's go to home screen. Okay, so this is the main SEO part, how we can make dynamic, how to do is the admin side, how we can show in front side, everything I explained. Like a first video we are creating pages inside admin side, and this video how to make dynamic for the all the SEO tab, like a metadata, meta description, and meta keywords, login, register, forget password, reset password, every place we ever done. I hope you can understand. Now our next video what is the our reasons, we need to work inside block. So by clicking the read more, so I need to work about comments. So next video I can show you how to make comments, and after user can log in, how to create his blogs, and without login impossible make a comment here. All thing I can show you in step by step in next video. I hope you have clear everything in this video. Suppose do you have any question about like SEO related, so please comment, and always I will give the answer. And I have another request, you are new in this channel, otherwise in this series, so please press the bell icon and please subscribe button, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new learning things. And thank you for watching error solutions.